Good evening, students. I am Basop sir. Today I am taking a class on shear force and bending moment, and today class is about a problem of simply supported beam with one or more point load. Okay, so this is the problem. Let the problem, which is in my note, a simply supported beam of AB of span 2.5 meter is carrying 2 point loads as shown in figure. This is the figure. Okay, so this is AB is the beam where uh, A and B are simply supported, and the two loads at point C and D, 4 kilonewton and 2 kilonewton and 4 kilonewton are acting on point C and D respectively. The total length of the beam is 2.5 meter, and from A to C is 1 meter and D to B is 1 meter. Therefore the length of C to D is obviously 0.5 meter by taking minus. So this is the problem. Now we have to calculate shear force and bending moment, and also draw the diagrams. Okay, so as there are 2 point loads acting and they are not in the midpoint, so here simply the two loads will there simply the here the reaction of A and B will not be equal, as the loads are not in the midpoint. So we have to calculate the reaction of A and B at first. So for calculating reaction of A and B, we have to take moments of any about any one point A or B. Let taking about moment A. So taking about moment A, we are taking moment about A. So taking moment about A, if we take moment about A and B, about taking moment about A of the reaction of the point A and B, then we can equal these reactions of A and B, that is RA and RB, to the load acting, that is 2kN and 4kN. So at first let's calculate the reactions. Okay, so taking moment about A, RA is acting on point A. So RA moment about A, so here the distance between A to A is 0, so moment about A is RA into 0 plus moment about B is RB into 2.5 equal to, these two reactions, the value of these two reaction will be equal to the value of the point loads, the moment of the point loads. So the point load, the moment of 2kN is kN is 2 into 1 meter 1, as the distance is 1. So this is 2 into 1, and the moment of 4kN is 4 into 1 plus 1.5. Sorry, 4 into 1 plus 0.5. That is from A to distance of A to D is 1.5. So plus 4 into 1.5 equal to 8. Therefore equal to 8. Therefore RB into 2.5 equal to 8. RB equal to 8 by 2.5 equal to 3.2 kN. Therefore RA equal to, the total value of load is 8, this is 6, as 2 plus 4 point loads 2 and 4, so total summation of point load is 6. Therefore the total reaction will be RA plus RB equal to 6. Therefore RA equal to 4 plus 2 minus 3.2 equal to 2.8 kilonewton. Now for calculating shear force, we are starting from point A. So here shear force at A, that is FA equal to plus RA equal to 2.8 kN 2.8 kN. As the in point A only reaction RA is acting. For shear force at C, that is Fc equal to